Alright, we're going to work on this next section. This is still on page 1 of your week 4 packet. This section's really easy. You're going to be surprised at how much you actually know. So first let's look at our graph. This is our graph that we're used to dealing with. We know that we have the y. Let's change that a little bit. We know that we have the y-axis up here. We have the x-axis down here. Okay. We know that when we're looking at our ordered pairs over here, and if we say our ABCs, x comes first, then what? Then y. So this is our order, right? X first, then y, just like we're saying our ABCs. So now let's look at our quadrants. Our quadrants are these 4 zones on our graph. This is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Our directions say graph each coordinate pair on the graph and indicate which quadrant or axis the point lies on. So your job is to take this coordinate pair, put it on our graph, and then figure out what quadrant or axis it lies on. Now remember, x comes first. So x means I'm moving side to side first, and then y is my up and down. Okay, so I've got -2. So I'm going to start at 0. 0 is the origin. We always start at 0. I'm going to go negative. This is my negative direction. This is my positive direction on my y-axis. I'm going to go -2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to go -3. This is positive on my y, this is negative on my y. So if I'm here, I'm going to go -3, which means I'm going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. This is where I stop. What quadrant is that in? Well, it's kind of sitting on it. That is going to be quadrant 3. Pretty easy, right? Right, next one. This is my x. This is my y. I always start with x. X is my side to side. Start here at the origin. Start at 0. I'm going -3. So I'm on this line to the negative direction. 1, 2, 3. And my y says -5. It's up and down. It's negative, so I'm going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What quadrant is that in? That's quadrant 3. Right, let's look at this one. Alright, we're going to look at 2 on my x-axis. 2 is positive. 2 is positive. So I'm going 1, 2. That's a positive direction. My y-coordinate is -6. Negative means down. So I'm going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What quadrant am I in? I'm in quadrant 4. I'll tell you, this one right here, I want you to figure that one out. I want you to figure that out. If I got a 0, how much am I moving? I'm not moving. So I'm going to be sitting on a line. What line am I sitting on? It's for you to figure out. As always, if you have questions or you need anything, send me a message on Google Classroom. I love you guys. Hope to see you soon.